What's up? It's your boy, Zizi the rapper from Emakanda, from Ishalani, representing the whole Eastern Cape. You know how it is. This is 7 namhlanje. In fact, extension 7 Emakanda. Apho besekhona eshowini. Amachita behostile. Ndimena wafeta kwama sizazisa. On my left, let me start on my left. On my left, in ndihamba nabani?
I'm gonna say Jafet, you know.
Easy, say Jafet. That's how it is. On my right, ndihamba kunye nobani?
Your boy King Makoy Ngalakatha. Wayase.
King Makoy Ngalakatha. Easy. Okay, sure. As for the show, okay, so never mind that. We move. Like I said, it's a show in Jafet. We're in the King in Ngalakatha, Makoya, and I believe you guys have a name. This is the artist, you know each other. Yeah, what's the name, dog?
Yeah, our crew, we go by the crew name RKQC, Wayase.
RKQC, Wayase. Okay, mchitamu, misinvitile namhlanje wamase showini yenu. Yabo, what was the idea behind the show yenu?
The idea is KaBoom, you know, the title is KaBoom, you know, as we were counting KaBoom 4.
Sure.
It means they were once KaBoom 1, 2, and 3.
Sure.
So the idea is to push KaBoom.
Sure.
And the idea behind KaBoom is about let's grow together.
Sure.
See, we just believe we got artists that we see hardworking artists. And we are inviting them, you see,
sure,
to our lineup to KaBoom.
Yes.
So let's grow together.
Easy, KaBoom 4, let's grow together. That's how it is. Anyways, machitamu, in fact, let me ask this. How was the show, dog?
Yeah, it was good.
When are you feeling it, and you are happy with the show namhlanje? Happy, dog. And when now the feedback from the show?
It was over expected. Because as you know, today is Sunday. See?
Yes.
In interviewing, people don't usually come to events on Sunday.
Sure.
See? They usually blue tick, but on this one, you see,
they came through.
Grateful for people. You see, they are taking us serious.
Easy. You know what it is. I love people who are hustlers and who think for others also. These guys, if they wanted to, they could have done a show, but they didn't. They invited other artists like Omakoneni, like Opozingaka. The list goes on. Those are heavyweights guys at Grahamstown. Don't say I didn't tell you.
Wow.
The easy artists at Grahamstown. Otherwise, Owens now my feedback. I am helping a show in. You guys did a great job. Wayase, great job. Keep doing what you love and keep growing.
That's why we say when we talk about Wayase, this word Wayase is got a meaning.
Sure.
You see, we are young African, super energetic. So when we say Wayase, we are saying a lot of things. We are not just saying Wayase.
Easy.
Remember, we are super young African energetic.
Super young Africans energetic. Easy. Say Jafet, Umakoya. We move along. I want to ask these guys a couple of questions, dog. Since we're here. Nicolau, we are Kiola.
Complicated.
This nigga is complicated. Nicolau, we are Kiola.
Ndifuna banda jola nizosibalela manje bendijola.
Uthina mjina bejola. Ngoka ujola nje yapha.
Andina status.
This nigga.
No status.
Okay, we move along. Abachita complicated. This one, Akajoli. Let me move to this one. Bakoya, when was the last time you heard something?
Yesterday.
Nigga, I'm Jolly for something.
Yesterday.
Yes, nigga. Wow. This nigga I Jolly for yesterday.
Even today.
Today you're gonna get some.
Yeah.
Nigga, you.
You're not as fuck and you
you see, the night is still young, so I don't want to comment when the last time. You see?
But you know, leave today. From yesterday, when was the last time you heard something?
Few hours ago.
My guy, these niggas, that's Jolly, but they having something. Owens. That means these guys are showing Abando Bamban. because asidyoli zona but yachawa hayibo kanjani mashita
awunayo jo uyakwazi ungabi nayo imoto kodwa asozongayi etown yebo
azongatravel engane moto
ungaya nasebhasi
niggas nah niggas don't chawa abantu bethu niggas please don't chawa abantu bethu anidyoli but niyachawa. Another question, I don't know if it's the last one, but okuve mos nge-foreplay. Pako foreplay kukola ndawo yithi kusebenzisa ilwimi dog. So I want to ask you dog. Do you go there? Do you go down there dog?
Depends.
Nigga, but you do it.
I can do on a clean sheet, yeah.
Those niggas are wild. And you a nigga?
I can do it with Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj. So at the moment are we in the jam?
Nah, I'm not talking.
But you are going to yet.
Nah.
Last question before I leave these guys. Last question. My nigga, there's something called Paco Sex.
And the ends because I don't want to feel like and the ends. And it's born in the end.
So that's how you say. Nigga. Okay, but nigga say go ahead.
Because I'm afraid, you see.
You're afraid?
Yeah, if you can taste it, you might end up on the wrong side. Some people, they stand like that.
Wild, yo.
You see, they stand like that,
Yeah.
and they ended up like that.
I feel you, dog. Because once you call it, you wanna move. I feel like, hey, this nigga's ass.
Yeah, let me tell
Hey,
you.
this nigga's ass is nice.
You see?
And then you want to take it on.
Yeah.
Okay, my niggas, don't want to take long. I'm just happy to be here. And I want to thank you personally for inviting me to come here. Otherwise, keep up the good work. You guys now have made a name for yourself at Grahamstown, in Makanda. And I'm sure even outside Grahamstown. International. I'm not going to keep them long. Otherwise, bafethu, nguzizi the rapper, extension 7. Kwakulati. Zigcwale ngathi, sizogcwala ngawo. KaBoom. So, Wayase.